So the next thing we are looking at here is which graph, and my values down here could be ages of something, all right? We have 13, 17, 21, 36, 42, 73, 42, and 56. Now, all of those numbers are whole numbers, all right? So the biggest thing we're taking from this, it is numerical. And is it discrete or is it continuous? All right, it is continuous. It's discrete. It's numerical, discrete. And my options that I can do for this, all right, I could do a stem and leaf. All right, a stem and leaf. Now to do this, I'm going to set my stem up here and I'm going to set my legend down here because I need to remember that I have to have my legend. All right. So my my stem is going to be broken up. I'm going to split all these numbers in half. So whatever's in my 10 column is going to go on my stem and whatever's in my units is going to go on my leaf. Now with a stem and leaf, it is really important that have to be in order. All right, they have to be in order when we're going out on our leaf. So the first thing I'm going to put in is here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, just to make sure. I'm going to start here. 13. So 1 is here and 3 is there, and I've dealt with that. I now have 17, which will go in my 1 row, and it will be 7 there. I now have 21. I have 36. I have 42. I have another 42, so I'm just going to put that in to make sure I keep everything in a nice order. 56, dealt with there. Nothing in my 60 row. Now, that doesn't matter, all right? But I have a 73 there. Now, from here, the questions I could ask you is if you were to analyze this stem and leaf, the thing you could tell me from here, you could tell me my range. And my range is from 13 to 73, because 13 is my smallest, 73 is my largest, gives me a range of 60. The next thing I could ask for you is to give me the median, all right? Now, these are in order, all right? So the easiest way to calculate your median is to backtrack. And remember, you've got to go left to right with one hand and right to left with the other. So going back on our numbers, down to here, there, there, there. So I know my median is somewhere between 36 and 42. Plus 42 divided by 2 gives me 78 divided by 2. All right. And to make sure I don't make this mistake again, 78 divided by 2 gives me a median value of 39. Okay. So that is another example of when you would use a stem and leaf plot. You haven't got too many numbers. They're in whole numbers, all right? But you wouldn't have to have them in whole numbers. They could be decimals as well, all right? But whole numbers looking like this, the appropriate time would be to use a stem and leaf.